Hey everyone, it's Amy Wilson. Welcome to the party. I'm so excited that you will be joining us. And today I'm going to show you our tried and true best-selling utility collection. The reason that these are our most popular bags is because they can be used for literally anything. And anywhere from packing from road trips to sporting events to picnics in the park to packing up your house when you're moving. Been there. And then also you can use them for your groceries, for laundry, and so on and so forth. So again, super versatile. And if you are new to 31, this is probably where you want to start. I would recommend a large utility tote plus maybe a thermal to get you started. So let's take a look, shall we? This smallest one we have, this is our Little's Carry-All Caddy. This one just happens to be a Halloween one, but we do have some other holidays in there and then just some standard prints as well. So this I love if you are, I know that probably Halloween will be canceled this year, but we can all sort of do our own little trick-or-treating at home, right? So if you have a toddler, this is what I recommend for trick-or-treating for a toddler. It's just the right amount of space to not overload them with candy, and then you can also have them hold it. It's really cute. You can use this for decoration. You can use this for so many other things. For example, if you are going to be homeschooling this fall, you can use this to maybe put your child's headphones in there and some of their markers and crayons and whatever else that they need for homeschool. You can also use this as a gift basket. I love using this as a little gift basket for like treats and such, maybe an Easter basket. And then we also have the tiny utility tote on the small end as well. So here's a comparison of those. And all the things that you can use this for, you can use this for as well. By the way, this is a perfect size for a square tissue box. I love using this in the car. You can put all the kids' toys in here and anything that they want to reach while they're in the car. There we go. There's a better look at the inside. And again, a perfect gift basket. And I actually will be using this. If I ever get to go to a conference again, this is going to be my go-to. For my planner, my notebook, my pens. I love colored pens, so I'm kind of a nut with that. And then I'll put, roll up my blanket scarf really small, put it in there, and put some snacks in there. So that is gonna be my fun thing. And you can do that if you're a teacher. You can take that from class to class with you. All right, so let's move up in size to our medium utility tote. Now this is only available in the fall and winter. So if you love this, you want to go ahead and get it now. Our small utility tote will be back for spring and summer. So we're not carrying that right now, but this is a great option for you if you want something that's a little bit smaller than our large. So here's the medium. And by the way, most of these are in the charcoal crosshatch print. That's our #1 selling print, and it looks amazing with some personalization, which I'll show you in a few minutes. So that is the medium, and let me show you the large. We also have, on our last chance area, we have some stand tall inserts that will go inside of here. It'll give you some pockets inside and then also give you a little bit of stability. So we have those for the medium right now. So let me show you the difference between the medium and the large. I can't really fit it in the shot here, but this is the large and this is the medium. Here, let's see. Close enough, right? All right, so you can see the size difference there. The large has been our #1 seller since 2013 when it was introduced. So super awesome bag here. And like I said, if you're new to 31, you want to grab one of these and then maybe a thermal and then our All About the Benjamins wallet. That's what I recommend for newbies. So here's a look at it there. And then let me show you the Deluxe. I'm just going to throw this one out of the way. Excuse me for one sec. All right. So here's the Deluxe. The difference between the Deluxe and the large, we have some side handles here for easily carrying bulky items like this, so you don't have to do it with the straps. For small people like me, that's very helpful. The bottom has a reinforced bottom there, and then on the back side here, there are some pockets. There's 3 of these sort of like slit pockets, if you will, that you can put stuff in. So let me try to give you a glimpse of the Deluxe and the large. Let's see. Can I do it? Kind of. All There we go. All right, so that is the large, the deluxe, the medium, the tiny, and the littles carry-all. I want to show you a couple other bags in this collection. So for groceries, my absolute favorite bag is this. This is the Essential Storage Tote. Also, when we go on a road trip, like a beach vacation or something like that, we pack our clothes and toiletries and stuff in the large utility totes, and then any food or paper products I pack in here. And one of the things that I love most about this bag is that it folds flat, very flat, and then you can even fold it like this, and again like this, and you can fit 2 of these in our zipper pouches, our full-size zipper pouches. So I love that for groceries. I just throw it in the car, and then I always have a bag with me, which is lovely. So that is that. The Essential Storage Tote is what that is called. Here's a look inside. And then we have our zip top organizing utility tote. So a few minutes ago, I mentioned that the large was our best selling of all time. This is our number 2. So this is also something that I recommend that you take a look at. If you don't have one of these, it is awesome. It can be used as a diaper bag, which is really helpful, a sports bag, something for the gym, a teacher bag. Teachers love this, nurses as well. And it has 7 pockets on the outside, you guys. 7. So you can see those 2 right there in the front. And then there's 3 just like it in the back. And then on either side is a mesh pocket. It does zip closed. There's a zipper here. I don't ever use it. I just tuck it inside. So if you're not a zipper person like me, you can tuck it inside. And then the coolest part about this bag is that our fold and file fits right inside of it. So I mentioned teachers, nurses, social workers, real estate agents. If you're one of those people who have to carry files around with you all the time, this is the bag for you. So it just goes right inside there. And you zip it right up. It gives you lots of stability inside, and you can take every paperwork that you need with you. So that's it. That is our utility collection. If you have any questions, please let me know. And if you're watching this, let me know in the comments which of these you like best. Thanks so much and have a wonderful day. Bye.